Hi viewers, my name is Sirisha. Welcome to my channel Dream Life Diaries. I am back again with a 60-minute follow-along yoga session. This session includes practicing 40 plus asanas, which includes warm-up, Surya Namaskar, asana practice and cool down. I combined all my asana practice videos to compile this 60-minute session. If you like the video, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon next to it to receive notifications for the upcoming videos. Let's practice some joint exercises first to loosen up all the joints and get ready for the upcoming practice.
The first exercise we are going to practice is wrist rotations. Extend your hands. Now start rotating your wrist inwards. Both the wrist inwards. You're not moving your elbows or shoulders. Let's do it 5 times. Now start rotating the wrist outwards. Let's do it 5 times.
The second exercise we are going to practice is hand stretches. Keep your hands like this. Along with hand stretches, we are going to rotate the wrist as well. Rotate your wrist outwards, your fingers outwards. Inhale, exhale. Inhale. Let's do it 5 times. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. The third exercise we are going to practice is shoulder lifts. Lift your shoulder. Inhale. Drop your shoulder. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. 3 more times. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale.
The fourth exercise we are going to practice is shoulder rotations. Let's do it clockwise now. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Now anti-clockwise. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale.
The next exercise we are going to practice is neck exercises. Inhale, exhale and turn your neck to the right side. Inhale and bring it back. Exhale to the other side. Inhale, exhale, 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 inhale back. Let's practice knee rotations now. Stand straight and keep your knees soft. Now start rotating them in clockwise direction. When you're coming forward, you need to inhale, and when you're going backwards, you need to exhale. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, Inhale, exhale. Now let's rotate them in anti-clockwise direction. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale.
See. The last exercise we are going to practice is butterfly pose. Keep your feet together, toes touching each other. Hold your toes with your arms. Keep your spine straight. Now start flapping your knees. You can do it for 1 to 2 minutes.
Do it slowly initially, then you can increase the pace. This helps relieve the stress from the hip joints. Now let's practice some warm-up exercises to prepare the spine and entire body for the upcoming workout. The first warm-up asana is Chakravakasana. Sit in Vajrasana, keep your elbows down and come on all fours. Inhale, look up and curve your spine. Exhale, round your spine and look down. Inhale, exhale. Do it 3 more times. It's a very good warm-up for your spine. And follow the breath cues. Exhale, come to neutral spine. Now lift your right hand and left leg up. Try to lift your leg up as high as possible. Stay here for 10 seconds. Keep breathing. Do not hold your breath. And then slowly release. Now lift your left hand and right leg up. Lift your leg up as much as possible. Stay here for 10 seconds. And then slowly release. The next warm-up asana is Tadasana. Stand your feet together, hands on your thighs. Exhale here. Now inhale, extend your arms towards ceiling with interlocked fingers and lift your heels up. And exhale, bring them down. When you are lifting your heels and hands up, inhale and exhale when you are bringing them down. It's a very good warm-up for your legs and arms. Do it for 5 times. The next asana is Katichakrasana. Keep your feet hip width apart. Keep your thumbs one on top of the other. Exhale and twist to your right. Inhale, come back. Exhale, twist to your left. Inhale, come back. When you are twisting to your right or left, you need to exhale. When you are coming back to the center, you need to inhale. Do it for 5 times on each side. When you are twisting to one side, you tend to lift your opposite heel and it's completely fine. You need to twist as much as possible. It's a good warm-up for your waist and hips. The next warm-up asana is Hasta Uttanasana, Hasta Padasana. Hold your elbows as shown here and bend backwards and bend forward. Again, inhale, bend backwards. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale, bend backwards. Exhale, bend forward. Do it 2 more times. Again, a good warm up for your waist, hips and your spine. When you are bending forward, if you are not comfortable keeping your knees straight, you can bend your knees. The next warm-up asana is sequence of multiple asana. From Adho Mukha Svanasana, come to Dandasana, Chaturanga Dandasana, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana and then Adho Mukha Svanasana. Continue doing it 4 more times. From Adho Mukha Svanasana, inhale Dandasana, exhale Chaturanga Dandasana, inhale Urdhva Mukha Svanasana and then exhale Adho Mukha Svanasana. We are done with the warm up. Now let's practice few rounds of Shivananda and Ashtanga style Surya Namaskar. Let's practice Shivananda style Surya Namaskar. Stand your feet together, hands by your side in Samasthiti. Exhale into Namaskarasana. Your hands together in Namaskara Mudra. Inhale, push your hips forward and bend backwards as much as possible. Your arms in line with your ears. Hasta Uttanasana. You can keep your hands together or apart. Exhale and bend forward into Hasta Padasana. Try to place your hands on the mat and touch your forehead to your knees. If not able to reach the mat, place your hands on the shin or hold your ankles and bend your knees little bit and fold forward completely. Inhale, place your palms on the mat and take your right leg back. Place your right toes on the mat pointing to the back. Make sure that the left knee is not crossing the left toes and fingertips on the mat. Ashva Sanchalana. Hold your breath and take the other leg back. Dandasana. Shoulder in line with the wrist. Exhale. Place your knees, chest and chin on the mat. Hands and elbows close to the body. Ashtanga Namaskara. Inhale. Lift your head and chest up till the navel and look up. Keep your hands close to your body. Bhujangasana. Tuck your toes and exhale into Adho Mukha Svanasana. Try to place your heels on the mat. Inhale and place your right leg in between your palms and left toes resting on the mat and pointing to the back. Ashva Sanchalana. Exhale into Hasta Padasana. Bring your other leg to the front and bend forward completely. Inhale. Push your hips forward and bend backwards. Hasta Uttanasana. Exhale. Namaskarasana. Now let's practice it the other side. Inhale. Push your hips forward and bend backwards as much as possible. Hasta Uttanasana. Exhale and bend forward into Hasta Padasana. Try to touch your forehead to your knees. Inhale, take your left leg to the back and place your toes on the mat. Right knee in line with your right heel. Ashva Sanchalana. Place your palms on the mat, take your other leg to the back. Dandasana. Your shoulder in line with your wrist. Exhale, place your knees, chest and chin on the mat. Ashtanga Namaskara. Inhale, lift your head and chest up till the navel and look up. Bhujangasana. Tuck your toes and exhale into Adho Mukha Svanasana. Try to place your heels on the mat. Inhale, bring your left leg forward and place it in between your palms. You can use your hand to push it forward. Ashva Sanchalana. Exhale, bring your other leg forward and bend completely. Hasta Padasana. Inhale, push your hips forward and bend backwards. Hasta Uttanasana. Exhale, Namaskarasana. Inhale, Samasthiti. Round 2. Let's practice it little faster now. Exhale, Namaskarasana. Inhale, Hasta Uttanasana. Exhale, Hasta Padasana. Inhale, Ashva Sanchalana on the right side. Hold your breath, Dandasana. Exhale, Ashtanga Namaskara. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Inhale, bring your right leg forward, Ashwa Sanchalana. Exhale, Hasta Padasana. Inhale, Hasta Uttanasana. Exhale, Namaskarasana. Inhale, Hasta Uttanasana. Exhale, Hasta Padasana. Inhale, Ashwa Sanchalana on the left side. Hold your breath, Dandasana. Exhale, Ashtanga Namaskara. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Inhale, bring your left leg forward, Ashwa Sanchalana. Exhale, Hasta Padasana. Inhale, Hasta Uttanasana. Exhale, Namaskarasana. Round 3. Inhale, Hasta Uttanasana. Exhale, Hasta Padasana. Inhale, Ashwa Sanchalana on the right side. Hold your breath, Dandasana. Exhale, Ashtanga Namaskara. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Inhale, bring your right leg forward, Ashwa Sanchalana. Exhale, Hasta Padasana. Inhale, Hasta Uttanasana. Exhale, Namaskarasana. Inhale, Hasta Uttanasana. Exhale, Hasta Padasana. Inhale, Ashwa Sanchalana on the left side. Hold your breath, Dandasana. Exhale, Ashtanga Namaskara. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Inhale, bring your left leg forward, Ashwa Sanchalana. Exhale, Hasta Padasana. Inhale, Hasta Uttanasana. Exhale, Namaskarasana. Round 4. Inhale, Hasta Uttanasana. Exhale, Hasta Padasana. Inhale, Ashwa Sanchalana on the right side. Hold your breath, Dandasana. Exhale, Ashtanga Namaskara. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Inhale, bring your right leg forward, Ashwa Sanchalana. Exhale, Hasta Padasana. Inhale, Hasta Uttanasana. From here, continue on the left side. Exhale, Hasta Padasana. Inhale, Ashwa Sanchalana on the left side. Hold your breath, Dandasana. Exhale, Ashtanga Namaskara. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Inhale, bring your left leg forward, Ashwa Sanchalana. Exhale, Hasta Padasana. Inhale, Hasta Uttanasana. Exhale, Namaskarasana. Round 5. Inhale, Hasta Uttanasana. Exhale, Hasta Padasana. Inhale, Ashwa Sanchalana on the right side. Hold your breath, Dandasana. Exhale, Ashtanga Namaskara. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Inhale, bring your right leg forward, Ashwa Sanchalana. Exhale, Hasta Padasana. Inhale, Hasta Uttanasana. Exhale, Hasta Padasana. Inhale, Ashwa Sanchalana on the left side. Hold your breath, Dandasana. Exhale, Ashtanga Namaskara. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Inhale, bring your left leg forward, Ashwa Sanchalana. Exhale, Hasta Padasana. Inhale, Hasta Uttanasana. Exhale, Namaskarasana. Round 6. Inhale, Hasta Uttanasana. Exhale, Hasta Padasana. Inhale, Ashwa Sanchalana on the right side. Hold your breath, Dandasana. Exhale, Ashtanga Namaskara. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Inhale, bring your right leg forward, Ashwa Sanchalana. Exhale, Hasta Padasana. Inhale, Hasta Uttanasana. Exhale, Hasta Padasana. Inhale, Ashwa Sanchalana on the left side. Hold your breath, Dandasana. Exhale, Ashtanga Namaskara. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Inhale, bring your left leg forward, Ashwa Sanchalana. Exhale, Hasta Padasana. Inhale, Hasta Uttanasana. Exhale, Namaskarasana. Now let's practice few rounds of Ashtanga Surya Namaskar. Stand with your feet together and hands by your side, Samasthiti. Inhale, bend your knees and squat down as if you are sitting on a chair, arms in line with the ears. You can keep your hands in Namaskara Mudra or apart, Utkatasana. Exhale, bend from your knees. Try to keep your palms on the mat. If not able to reach the mat, hold your ankles and bend down. You can keep your knees bent for the first round, Uttanasana. Inhale, place your fingertips on the mat and look up. Keep your knees straight, Urdhva Uttanasana. Place your palms on the mat. Exhale, take your legs back, bend your elbows and come to Chaturanga Dandasana. Your entire body is supported on toes and your palms. Body parallel to the ground. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Lift your chest up and look up. Shoulder in line with the wrist and do not bend your elbows. Exhale, lift your hips up. Come to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Try to place your heels on the mat if possible and look at your navel. Inhale, bend your right knee and place your right leg in between the palms. And extend your hands towards ceiling. With right knee bent in line with the right ankle and left knee straight. Virabhadrasana. Place your palms on the mat. Exhale into Chaturanga Dandasana. Take your entire body close to the mat. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Shoulder in line with the wrist. Exhale into Adho Mukha Svanasana. Inhale, bend your left knee and place it in between your palms. If you are not able to place it, use your hand to move it to the front of the mat. And extend your hands towards ceiling. You can look front or look at your thumb. Virabhadrasana. Place your palms down. Exhale into Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Stay here for 5 seconds. Inhale, bring both the legs to the front of the mat. Place your fingertips on the mat and look up. Urdhva Uttanasana. Exhale, bend down completely. Try to touch your forehead to the knees. Katasana. Bend your knees and sit down as if you are sitting on a chair. Exhale, Samasthiti. Let's practice few more rounds of Surya Namaskar. Inhale, Utkatasana. Exhale, Uttanasana. Inhale, Urdhva Uttanasana. Exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Inhale, Virabhadrasana on the right side. Exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Inhale, Virabhadrasana on the left side. Exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Stay here for 5 seconds. Inhale, Urdhva Uttanasana. Exhale, Uttanasana. Inhale, Utkatasana. Exhale, Samasthiti. Third round. Inhale, Utkatasana. Exhale, Uttanasana. Inhale, Urdhva Uttanasana. Exhale, jump to Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Inhale, Virabhadrasana on the right side. Exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Inhale, Virabhadrasana on the left side. Exhale into Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Stay here for 5 seconds. Inhale, Urdhva Uttanasana. Exhale, Uttanasana. Inhale, Utkatasana. Exhale, Samasthiti. Last round. Inhale, Utkatasana. Exhale, Uttanasana. Inhale, Urdhva Uttanasana. Exhale, jump to Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Inhale, Virabhadrasana on the right side. Exhale into Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Inhale, Virabhadrasana on the left side. Chaturanga Dandasana. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Stay here for 5 seconds. Inhale, Urdhva Uttanasana. Uttanasana. Utkatasana, Samasthiti. We are done with the Surya Namaskar practice. Let's take a short break. Keep your feet apart, hands away from your body, and close your eyes. Take long breaths. While inhaling, take in all the air through nose, and while exhaling, breathe out through your mouth. Stay here for a few more breaths. When you are ready, slowly open your eyes. Now let's practice some asanas to build the strength and improve flexibility. The first asana is Parshvakonasana. Stand straight in Samasthiti with feet together. Now bring your left leg to the back and bend your right knee. Make sure your right knee is not crossing the right toes. Keep your left knee straight. Keep your right palm outside the right foot and lift your left hand up and then bring it over your head parallel to the mat. If it's difficult to keep your right palm entirely, you can keep your fingertips. Or you can keep your right palm inside the right foot. Stay in this asana for 10 seconds. And then slowly release. Now let's do it the other side. Bend your left knee. Make sure left knee is not crossing the left toes. Keep your right knee straight. Now keep your left palm or fingertips on the mat outside the left foot. And lift your right hand up and bring it over your head and parallel to the mat. Stay here for 10 seconds. And then slowly release. The next asana is Parivrtta Parshvakonasana. Stand in Samasthiti and bring your left leg to the back and bend your right knee. Sink down as much as possible. Make sure that right knee is not crossing the right toe. Lift your left heel up. Now bring your left elbow outside the right knee and try to keep both the hands in Namaskara Mudra. Twist to your right as much as possible and try to bring Namaskara Mudra to the center of the chest. Stay here for 10 seconds and release. Now let's do it the other side. Make sure that your left knee is not crossing the left toe. Lift your right heel. Keep your right elbow outside left knee. Both the hands in Namaskara Mudra. Try to bring your Namaskara Mudra to the center of the chest. Twist as much as possible. Stay here for 10 seconds and release. Next asana is Paddha Parshvakonasana. Bend your right knee and keep the left heel on the mat. Keep your right arm under the right thigh and take a bind with the other hand or till wherever you can reach. Stay here for 10 seconds. Lift your chest up to your left side as much as possible. And then release. Now let's do it on the other side. Bend your left knee. Keep the right heel on the mat. Now keep your left hand under the left thigh. Take a bind with the other hand. Try to lift your chest and shoulder to the right side as much as possible. Stay here for 10 seconds and release. The next asana is Parshva-Uttanasana. Stand your feet together. Now take your right leg back to medium stance. Both the feet should be 2 feet apart from each other. Now keep your hands in Namaskara Mudra at the back. Inhale here, bend backwards. Exhale and bend down. Keep both the knees straight. Bend down as much as possible. Keep breathing. Do not hold your breath. Try to touch your forehead to the knee. Stay here for 10 seconds and then slowly release. Now let's do it the other side. Bring your left leg to the back. Both the heels should be in one line. Your hips should be facing forward. Keep your hands in Namaskar Mudra, or you can hold your elbows. Inhale and bend backwards. Exhale and bend forward. With each exhalation, try to bend as much as possible. Try to touch your forehead to your knee. Stay here for 10 seconds and then release. The next asana is Kali Asana with lateral stretch. Keep your feet 2 feet apart and toes pointing to the sides. Bend your knees and squat down. Keep your left arm on the left thigh. Inhale and then exhale and extend your right arm over your head and bend to your left side and look up. Stay here for 10 seconds and then release. Do it on the other side. Stay here for 10 more seconds. And then slowly release. Next asana is Prasarita Padottanasana. Keep your feet as wide as possible. Keep your hands on the hips. Inhale and bend backwards. Exhale, bend forward. Bend halfway. Now hold your ankle. Now try to bend down as much as possible. If you are comfortable here, keep your palms on the mat. Try to bend down as much as possible. Keep your knees straight. You can bend your elbows and try to touch your head to the floor. Stay here for 10 seconds. Then come up halfway and then come up slowly. The next asana is Virabhadrasana. Coming to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Now bring your right leg forward and place it in between the palms. Now start lifting your left leg up. Keep your palms together in Namaskar Mudra and extend them forward. Look down and focus at one point. Stay in this posture for 10 seconds. When you're done, bring your left leg down and come back to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Now let's practice it on the other side. Bring your left leg forward and lift your right leg up. You can keep your palms in Namaskara Mudra close to your chest or extend them forward. Look down and focus at one point. Try to keep both the knees as straight as possible. Be in this posture for 10 seconds and then come back to Adho Mukha Svanasana. The next asana is Vrikshasana. Come to standing position, lift your right leg up and keep your right foot on the left thigh. You can keep your hands on the waist or close to your chest in Namaskara Mudra or extend your hands towards ceiling. Stay in this posture for 10 seconds. When you're done, bring your hands down and then your right leg. Let's practice it on the other side. Lift your left leg up and keep your left foot on the right thigh. Stay in this posture for 10 seconds again. Focus on a point in front of you or you can look down. When you are done, bring your hands down and then your left leg. Asana is Natarajasana. Lift your right leg up and hold your ankle with the right hand. And your left palm should be in Chin Mudra. Now try to push your heel away from your body as much as possible. Stay in this posture for 10 seconds. When you're done, release your hands and leg. Now let's practice it on the other side. Hold your left ankle with your left hand and lift it up. And your right palm is in Chin Mudra. Keep your spine straight and focus at one point in front of you, or you can look down. Stay here for 10 seconds and release. Next asana is Malasana. Keep your legs your hip width apart and sit down with your hands in Namaskara Mudra. Close your eyes, keep your spine straight and try to push your knees with your elbows. This asana releases all the stress and improves mental focus to a great extent. Stay in this posture for 20 seconds. When you are done, release your hands and legs. The next asana is Ekapada Adho Mukha Svanasana. Come to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Raise your hips up and your palms and heels on the mat. From here, lift your right leg up and stay there for 10 seconds. Try to lift up as much as possible. The next asana is Virabhadrasana 2. Bring your right leg forward and place it in between your palms. Your right knee should not cross your right toes. And drop your left heel to the mat. And stretch your arms parallel to the mat. Stay here for 10 seconds. The next asana is Viparita Virabhadrasana. Drop your left arm on your left thigh and lift your right arm up and bend backwards as much as possible. With your right knee still bent. Your left knee should be straight. When done, come to Virabhadrasana 2 and release. The next asana is Trikonasana. Stand your feet around 2 feet apart, right foot pointing to your right and left foot pointing forward. Extend your arms and bend down to your right. And raise your left hand up. Keep both the knees straight and try to bend to your right as much as possible. Stay here 10 seconds. And release. Now let's do all these asanas on the other side. From Adho Mukha Svanasana, lift your left leg up. Stay here for 10 seconds. Ekapada Adho Mukha Svanasana. Now bring your left leg forward. Place it in between your palms. Keep your right heel on the mat and extend your arms. Virabhadrasana 2. Your left knee is not crossing the left toes. From here, drop your right hand onto your right thigh and lift your left arm up and bend backwards as much as possible. Your left knee is still bent. Stay here for 10 seconds and release. Stand your feet around 2 feet apart, left foot pointing to your left side and right foot pointing forward. Extend your arms and bend down to your left side and hold your ankle. And raise your right arm up, Trikonasana. Make sure your both knees are straight here. Stay here for 10 seconds and release. The next asana is Padangusthasana. Lift your arms up and bend forward with your knees bent. Keep your palms on the mat first and then keep your right palm under your right foot and left palm under your left foot. Now straighten your knees and bend down completely. Try to bring your forehead close to your knees. Stay here for 10 seconds. When done, take out your palms first and slowly come up. The next asana is Anjaneyasana. From Adho Mukha Svanasana, Lift your right leg up, bring it forward and place it in between your palms. Drop your left knee and left toes pointing to the back. Now stretch and sink down as much as possible. Raise your arms up and bend backwards. You can keep your hands in Namaskara Mudra or away from each other. Stay here for 10 seconds and release and go back to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Now let's do it on the left side. Lift your left leg up, bring it forward, place it in between the palms. Now drop your right knee and right toes pointing backwards. Lift your arms up and bend backwards. Sink down as much as possible. Stay here for 10 seconds. You can keep your hands in Namaskara Mudra or away from each other. Now release and go back to Adho Mukha Svanasana. The next asana is Rajakapotasana. Lift your right leg up and bring it forward. Place your right knee in between your palms and stretch your left leg as much as possible. And do not drop your hip onto your right side. Try to sit straight and bend backwards. You can keep your palms on your right thigh and bend backwards as much as possible. Stay here for 10 seconds. And release. Again go back to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Now lift your left leg up, bring it forward and keep your left knee in between the palms. Don't drop your hip onto your left side or right side. Now keep your hands on your left thigh and bend backwards as much as possible. Stay here for 10 seconds. And release. Now drop your knees and sit in Vajrasana. Next asana is Janushirshasana. Bend your right leg, keep your right foot close to the left thigh. Extend your arms, inhale, exhale and bend forward. With each exhale, try to bend as much as possible. Try to touch your forehead to the knee. Stay here for 10 seconds and slowly release. Now let's do it the other side. Bend your left knee, keep your left foot close to the right thigh. Extend your arms, inhale, exhale and bend forward. Hold your foot and try to bend as much as possible. Try to touch your forehead to the knee. Stay here for 10 seconds and then slowly release. The next asana is Agni Stambha. Try to sit down in this posture. Your right heel should be on the left knee and your right knee should be on the left heel. Inhale, extend your arms to the ceiling. Exhale and bend down as much as possible. Try to touch your chest to the legs. Stay here for 10 seconds. And slowly release. The next asana is Anantasana. Lie down and turn to your right side and rest your head on your right palm. Hold your left toe with 3 fingers and extend it up to 90 degrees. Your knee should be straight. Stay here for 10 seconds and slowly release. Now let's do it on the other side. Hold your right toe with your right hand with 3-finger grip and extend it up to the ceiling. Your knee should be straight here. Stay here for 10 seconds. And then release. The next asana is Ardha Matsyendrasana. Bend your right leg and keep your right foot next to the left knee. Place your right hand to the back. Now keep your left elbow outside the right knee this way, or you can hold your right ankle and twist to your right side. Stay here for 10 seconds. And then slowly release. Now let's do it the other side. Bend your left leg and keep your left foot next to the right knee. Place your left hand to the back. Now keep your right elbow outside the left knee and hold your left ankle. Twist to your left side as much as possible. Stay here for 10 seconds. And then release. Next asana is Parivritta Janushirshasana. Bend your right leg and keep your right foot close to the left thigh. Move your left leg more towards the left side. Now hold your left big toe with your left hand and bend to your left side. Extend your right arm over your head and try to touch the left toes. Stay here for 10 seconds. Your head should be in between both the arms. And release. Now let's do it on the other side. Bend your left leg and keep your left foot close to the right thigh. Now move your right leg more to the right side. Now hold your right big toe with your right hand and bend to your right side. Extend the left hand over your head and try to touch the toes or your hand. Stay here for 10 seconds. And then slowly release. The next asana is Shalabhasana. Lie down on your abdomen, extend your hands to the front, inhale and lift your chest and legs off the ground. Try to lift your knees and thighs off the ground as much as possible. Stay there for 10 seconds. And release. Now interlock your palms and rest your head on your palms. Turn to one side and rest for 5 seconds. The next asana is Dhanurasana. Lift your right leg up and hold the ankle with your right hand. Lift your left leg up and hold your left ankle with your left hand. Now inhale and lift your legs and chest up. Again, try to lift your chest and thighs off the ground as much as possible. Stay there for 10 seconds. And release. Now rest your head on your palms, turn to one side and rest for 5 seconds. The next asana is Setubandhasana. Lie down and bring your heels close to your body. Now inhale, lift your hips up as high as possible. Try to bring your chest close to your chin and interlock your palms. Stay there for 10 seconds. And then release. The next asana is Supta Dandasana. Keep your hands next to your body and lift your legs up to 90 degrees. Try to keep both the knees as straight as possible. If not comfortable, you can place your palms under your body. Stay here for 10 seconds. Now with momentum from Supta Dandasana, lift your hips up and support your lower back with both the hands. Sarvangasana. Try to keep your knees as straight as possible. Stay in this posture for 10 seconds. The next asana is Halasana. Bend your knees and extend your legs over your head. And try to keep the knees as straight as possible and try to touch the floor with your toes. Stay in this asana for 10 seconds and then slowly come out of the asana, very slowly. The next asana is Matsyasana. Place your hands and your body for support. Lift your chest and head up. Look at your toes. With the support of your elbows, try to place the top of the head on the mat. Stay in this posture for 10 seconds. If you are very comfortable here, you can lift both the legs off the mat. When you are done, release the legs, lift your head up and then slowly release. The next asana is Vustrasana. Stand on your knees. Lift your right hand and hold your right heel. Now lift your left hand and hold your left heel. Roll your shoulders and push your chest and hip forward. And drop your neck. Stay in this posture for 10 seconds. When you are done, lift your right hand up slowly and lift your left hand up and come out of the posture. The next asana is Chakrasana. Lie down, keep your heels close to your body and your palms close to your ears. Fingers pointing towards the heels. Now with momentum, lift your body up. Stay here for 10 seconds. When you're done, slowly bring your crown to the mat first and then your body. After Chakrasana, we need to practice the counter pose, which is Shashankasana. Sit in Vajrasana, your toes pointing to the back and toes touching each other. Sit on your heels, widen your knees. Now bend forward and stretch your arms. Stay in this posture for 10 to 20 seconds. When you are done, slowly come up and sit in Vajrasana. We have reached the end of the practice. Now let's practice some cool down asanas to relax the entire body. The next cool down asana is Supta Baddha Konasana. Lie down on your back. Keep your feet touching each other as shown here. Your feet should touch each other in Baddha Konasana. And try to push your thighs down towards the floor. Relax in this asana for 10 seconds. Now slowly bring both the knees together and then release. The next asana is Ananda Balasana. Bend your knees, hold your both the feet with both your hands. Now try to pull the knees close to the floor. Stay in this asana for 10 seconds. Don't hold your breath in any of these asanas. Inhale and exhale normally. Try to bring down your knees as close to the floor as possible. And then slowly bring them together and release. The next asana is Markatasana. Lift your right leg up, roll your right toe with your left hand and then drop it to your left side. Try to keep your knee as straight as possible and look to your right side. Stay here for 10 seconds and then slowly release. Now let's do it the other side. Lift your left leg up, hold your left toe with your right hand and then drop it to your right side and look to your left side. Stay here for 10 seconds. Try to keep your knee as straight as possible and then slowly release. The next cool down asana is Jatara Parivartasana. Keep your hands in T shape, bring your knees towards your chest and then drop them to your right side and look to your left side. Try to bring your knees as close to your elbow as possible. Stay here for 10 seconds and then drop them to the other side. Do not lift your shoulder, it should be still on the floor. Stay here for 10 seconds and slowly bring them back. The next cool down asana is Pavanamuktasana. Hold your elbows and try to bring your knees as close to your chest as possible. Don't hold your breath, keep breathing. Stay here for 10 seconds. And then slowly release. The last cool down asana is Shavasana. Keep your legs and feet mat width apart and arms away from your body and fingers naturally curled. And close your eyes. Relax in this asana for 1 to 2 minutes. Relax each part of your body. When you're done, wiggle your fingers, toes, move your neck from side to side. Join your legs, interlock your fingers over your head and stretch your entire body. Now bend your knees and turn to your right side. Relax here for a few breaths. Now, with the help of your left hand, sit up in Sukhasana or Vajrasana. Relax here for a few breaths and then rub your palms, generate some heat and feel the warmth on your eyes and face and slowly open your eyes. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up, share it with your family and friends, and add your comments to the comment section below. And do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon next to it to receive notifications for the upcoming videos. Thank you.